So this video won't be that long. Sorry. So yeah. Is it? Okay. Here we go now. Okay, so welcome to day day 83. Yeah, it's day 83. That's kind of epic. So yeah. Work. Bruh. Wait, what? Wait, where's the... What the hell? Where's the sound? Well, I guess we will play without the sounds. Well, that's going to make it harder. So yeah, I guess I'll just try to avoid him by seeing him. I don't know what I'm going to do, but we have to run away because we cannot hear him now, and now we don't know where he could be. That's kind of a bad thing. He's probably behind, and we don't know. He can be behind us right now. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just overreacting. Oh man! But we cannot hear him, and there's no sound in the background, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess this is just a Roblox glitch or something. Maybe it's the game. I don't know. But yeah, I have to run away from him. Okay. Oh! How am I supposed to? Oh my god. I cannot hear him. What am I going to do? What I'm going to do? This is Forbidden Maze. Hard mode. Why? We cannot hear him, so he could be behind us right now. Okay, not really. No, I don't think so. This video will only be like 8 minutes long. Why is he glitching, dude? Like the whole game is glitching right now. I went the wrong way, didn't I? Yup. Bro, you can still hear the shatter sound. Well, you're not coming, right? By the way, I wanna check something. I want to see if this thing works. Like, it should work, right? It doesn't. It doesn't, no way. Oh, shit. Worst part, we cannot see him, which is kind of bad. Oh! I did it. Holy shit, I did it. Oh my god. There we go. We escaped. Well, I escaped. Even if there's no sound, this subject can. I mean, this maze can be really easy. You know what's going to be kind of bad? The trumpets part, because we kind of don't know. Bro, why is he glitching so badly? Oh no. He's glitching so badly. I want to check something. This whole game is glitchy right now, so let's just. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess I'll just wait for him. Here, right here. He might appear. Probably not. Oh yeah, he did. He did after all, okay. So now he's there. Whoa. Whoa, bro, stop. At least the maze still makes sounds. That's fine. This is probably a bad idea, but whoa, I survived. I survived for some seconds. Hold up. Can you actually escape from there? Hold up, I wanna test that. If you can survive there for a few seconds, well, it's because I went the other way. But I think it's possible. I'm not sure. It might be possible. Hold up. Let's just wait for him. Oh, it's already 8 minutes, so I guess we will only test this once. Okay, so I want him to go over here. Right here. Yeah, come here. No. He has to be. Holy shit. We might escape. No! I was going to say we might escape this one. Whoa. Okay. Here we go. Whoa! Aw, man. No way, there's a reference. 100% no fit. Huh? Wait, what? Oh my god, there's. Oh. What the hell? Charlie, bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Oh my god.